Hey all, welcome to the Nifty Direction channel. So this video is regarding ITC and we'll check Elliott Wave analysis using and we'll use Fibonacci extension and retracement to find out the levels. So yeah, this is a daily chart. So before that, let's check monthly chart and understand where we are right now. So when I check a monthly chart, I would see that So when I check a monthly chart, I would see that stock has moved from 4 rupees all-time low to 367 rupees. So that's its all-time high. During this move, it was an uptrend. So anybody can tell that, right? Uptrend is like this. So now what next? So ITC has reached 367 and then it uh, it entered in the correction phase. So during correction phase from 367 it reached to 134 level. Sorry, the chart is a bit clumsy, but yeah, uh, I cannot remove them and add them right now because I need that for further explaining to you on the chart. Yeah, so here I would say everyone says that ITC didn't perform and all, but yeah, so you would see that here during the uptrend it has performed, and most of the people who entered this stock after this uptrend would consider this stock not performing, but that's not the case. I would say it's consistently giving you hefty dividend. I'm not sure right now, but yeah, this stock is considered to be giving a good dividend. And yeah, here the stock was in severe downtrend, or you could say a consolidation correction. So this is uptrend, this is consolidation, then again like this down move is consolidation, then like here it is correcting this 5 moves up, okay, during while going downside, and I would consider that after this it should resume uptrend. So let me tell you the reason for that. So during the fall you would see that the stock has corrected 0.618 level. This is also called as golden ratio, okay, in Fibonacci. So you can view the Fibonacci and its relationship along with this uh, 0.618 in a different video that I have posted earlier. So it has taken support on this level, near this level. 134 was the low. So I consider that it didn't sustain below this level, and it has resumed upward trajectory. That's what I can consider. But right now it's not completely out of the downtrend yet. Okay, the confirmation will be given once this level is broken, 266. So that is a confirming level for an uptrend of this particular stock. That's what I can think when I consider the Elliott wave. So here while coming down, after 5 waves up move, 1 2 3 4 5, we count A, B and C. Okay, so here ABC is counted during like in internal to the C wave. I have added a 5 waves moves, 1 2 3 4 5, like this. So these are the 5 waves move internal to wave C. Wave A will have similar moves, but yeah, wave B will internally have A, B and C, like this. Okay, so this satisfies the Elliott wave, and I think I have plotted the Elliott waves correctly. This can be viewed differently by different analysts, but yeah, that's what my understanding is, and to some extent I think that I'm correct till this part. So now you would see that here the stock is coming up, but it's not coming in a bullish way, but it's still in consolidation and going up. So let's take the daily chart. That was the weekly chart. So let's take the daily chart and look further moves. So when I see the daily chart, here I would see that from March lows it's in a consolidation phase, okay, right now, and it will go in this fashion in the parallel channel. So you can draw a parallel channel by considering swing high and swing low, not the recent low. So you have to plot the parallel channel on this line, then you could get the next moves, probable next moves. So here you would see that uh, after the fall to this level, okay, the stock has retraced, sorry, the stock has come up in this move. Okay, so when I plot the Fibonacci on this level, yeah, this high and this low, okay, when I plot Fibonacci on that level, I would see that again it has respected 0.618 level and moved up from there. So that is another confirmation that it is respecting 0.618 level. So now one can uh, one can draw corrective patterns here. That will be W, because this is A move, this is B move, and this is C move. So this is called as W. Then here you will call it as X, sorry. And here when it go up and reach to these levels somewhere around 330, 335, sorry, 230, 235, we call it as Y. So this is called a double zigzag pattern, or yeah, double zigzag or double complex correction pattern. So here once it reaches that, it will correct these three moves WXY and would go down again to these levels, even down maybe somewhere in this zone it will go, and then it should go up. And while going up after touching 200 or 190 levels, this move will be faster. That's what I believe, unless it is making another correction. When it is in correction, WXY, XX can also happen, and then Z. So that is again a complex correction. That is also a possibility, but yeah, that is for something for in future. But yeah, right now it's in a trading in a parallel channel. So what trades uh, can be done here? So in very short term, we can consider that the fifth wave is ending diagonal. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So during 5 waves, when I consider 5 waves, it should reach this 0.618 level. So this 0.618 level is plotted from 0 to 3, then 4. Okay, so this is plotted using Fibonacci extension. So here you would see that 231 is the number where it should reach while going like this. Okay, while going like this, it should reach there. So considering that as a target, one can enter near this level 205, keeping this as a stop loss. 200, below 200, 199 maybe a stop loss can be considered, and one can expect 231 target in a short term. And then in medium to long term, one can expect it to drop to 200 to 190 levels. One can enter here long for the up move going after that, and look for the levels, uh, look for the higher levels. Okay, look for 266 or something when you enter there. And here when you enter during the fall near 200 and 190 levels, which is lower line, 205 or even 205, 210 levels can be considered, considering how much time it will take and how much levels it will fall. So 210 to 190 are the entry points for medium term, and you need to keep the bigger stop loss here somewhere below 165. This could be your stop loss, and you could ride for 266 levels. And yeah, so once it goes there, and if it goes very rapidly above 160, then we can consider that the downtrend is over. So if 160 is broken rapidly along with the channel break, obviously it will break channel if it is going for 266, then we can assume that the downtrend for the stock is over and it will be quite bullish while going up. So one can book part profit here and then can wait for higher levels. So that's what the strategy you can adopt in ITC. That's the overall video, and I would see I would like to tell you one more thing here, is that when I plot a Fibonacci on this move 4 to 5, when I plot Fibonacci on this level, I would see that the stock has already came to 0.618 level, 0.618 level, 216. It has closed about that level. In fact, it reached 220 plus, I believe 222 something it has reached. So at least this wave has been reversed. 4 to 5 down move has been reversed. That's what we can assume. So that is another confirmation for us that stock is an uptrend, and we can ride short term to medium term for the upside smaller targets. That's all from the Nifty direction. Hope you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Enjoy.